Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, I am so excited to have you, so please be sure to stick around, subscribe, and click that bell so you guys get notified for future content. I am beyond excited for this video. I have been loving Sephora recently, even more than I have for the past 5 years, and I have some essentials that you need for this summer. I swear by these items even when it's not summer, but they're even more perfect for the summer, so it kind of just goes. As always, I'll have everything linked down below for direct purchase if you guys are interested in any of these items, and without further ado, let's get into it. Popping out the first thing that you definitely need this summer, and that's going to be sunscreen for your body. Of course you need it for your face, but the one that I use for my face is not sold on Sephora, so the one for the body is. This is the Supergoop Play SPF 50 Everyday Lotion. It has sunflower extract in it. Now you can also purchase this on Amazon, but you know, get it on Sephora, get those points up. I love this stuff so much. It is a great consistency. I love how large this is too. I also really love the handle. I don't know, I just think it's cute. The sunscreen smells amazing and it blends in super well in the skin, really well. And it also leaves this beautiful, healthy glow on your body, and it really does repel the sun in the best way possible. It doesn't make you feel sticky or heavy or anything. It's just perfect for everyday lotion. It also is very moisturizing. So if you need an SPF that is also moisturizing, smells really great, and keeps your skin looking nice and healthy, then I definitely recommend investing into this one because it's been super amazing for me. The sun has a horrible way of drying out your hair, and that's why you need a really good hair mask. My favorite one is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This mask is so amazing. I use it every single time I wash my hair, which is once a week, so don't think I'm crazy. I don't wash my hair 3 times a week and use this 3 times. I use it once a week when I wash my hair. This is a deeply conditioning mask. It literally gets in those hair strands and deeply conditions it. Leaves your hair feeling so shiny and so beautiful, and really just revives your hair at the same time. My hair always feels visibly stronger and healthier after I use this mask, and I look forward to using it in the shower because I know it's just a great reset for my hair. So I definitely recommend this. And then to kind of go with this, I have a detox shampoo, which I also recommend. These two items work so well together. This is the Way Detox Shampoo. Is my lighting being weird? Oh, let me try to switch my camera around. We're just gonna roll with it. I wouldn't really recommend using this product more than once a month, only because it is really stripping on your hair, but stripping in a good way. If you use it too much, it will be stripping in a bad way. But this removes up all the buildup on my hair. This stuff lathers so well. Little bit goes a very long way. I know that this would definitely last me at least 6 months, if not a little bit longer. Definitely a little bit longer, I think. And it smells really good. I know a lot of people had complaints on the smell, on the Sephora app. But you don't really smell it when it gets in your hair and when you're done. So if it's an issue for you, I would just try washing your hair first and seeing if it really affects you. But I love this stuff so much. It really just gets up all that buildup out of my hair, out of my scalp, and these two together, match made in heaven. One of the best makeup products in the beauty community, right here. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sure you heard of it by someone, through someone, or maybe you've used it. And if you have, A1 to you. This stuff is game changing. I have 2 colors. I have 4.5 and 6.5. I use 4.5 on my face, but it is a little light for me right now. I think I could go to 5. And then you're like, what, Bella, why do you have 6.5? What's the reason? This is not your shade. I mean, it could blend in because this is very tinted almost. It's not opaque. But anyways, this is not my shade right now. It will be in a few months because I have a really deep Middle Eastern skin tone and I be getting real dark. That's besides the point. I like to use this to bronze up my face. This stuff is perfect. Sometimes I don't want to put it all over my face with this, but I still want the effect of the really pretty Hollywood Flawless Filter that it really brings to my face. So I love this darker shade. I put it on the parts of my face where I would bronze, and then I blend it out, and man, it looks so good. It's amazing. If you haven't gotten a darker shade for the contouring parts of your face, I totally would recommend getting a darker shade and having your true shade and just kind of using them together on your face. This product really gives you a beautiful natural glow, very effortless, and really just kind of blurs your face and makes you look young and bright and glowy and really healthy from the inside out. So I will continue to use this even though I do have oily skin. I go with it very minimally, but I love it so much, and it is the perfect summer product for a really nice no makeup look. I am a perfume queen, and it's not a video unless I talk about perfume. I just did a perfume collection a few months back, and if you guys want to watch it, I will link it down below for you guys to watch. But the summer scent that has carried my summers for the past 2 or 3 years is Tom Ford Eau de Soleil Blanc. I think that's how you say it. This is the reason I love summer so much. This smell It's like sunscreen, beach, coconut, sexy. It's just kind of everything, and it really does make me so happy when I wear this during the summer. Like, it is just the perfect scent. And with that being said, of course I have the big bottle for at home, but when I am out and about and traveling, I like to keep the little bottle with me, and it's perfect, you guys. This is the best smell. If you want that, I just got off the beach, but I smell good. I smell like sunscreen, but I also smell like coconut, and I smell sexy and flirty. This is it. Like, this perfume sponsors my summer. It just does. And I wear it kind of like all year round, because living in Florida, it's kind of like you're able to do that. But during the summers when I really go ham with this perfume, I wear it every single day, and I cannot live without it during the summer. It's literally perfect. It's like actually perfect. We gotta keep that hair very nice and shiny. Of course, with the two products that I just talked about, the Briogeo and the Way Detox Shampoo, but you also need a really good hairbrush. And I feel like a lot of people don't really realize that a good hairbrush will fully...
Sorry, could you say that again? I'm having trouble hearing you.
Boy, I'm not talking to you. Anyways, yeah, I feel like a lot of people don't realize like that a good hairbrush can really be the changing factor in your hair growth, the way it looks, the shininess, kind of everything about it. But let me tell you, a boar bristle brush is the only way you're gonna get that beautiful hair. It is one of the most essential things you could use in your hair for growth, shine, like the feeling of it is just like soft, just everything I dedicate to a boar bristle brush. I have had one on Amazon for about almost a year, maybe like 8-9 months, something of that nature. And then I got this one on Sephora during the sale, and I love this one. It's from Briogeo. It's a vegan boar bristle brush, and it really like just pulls my hair so nicely. It doesn't like yank it. It is so soft, so just great on my hair, and it really brings out the shine in my hair. All day long, my hair just looks so shiny. And during the summer, you kind of want everything about you to be shiny, glowy, perfect, just amazing. And so if you implement a boar bristle brush into your hair care routine, I promise you it'll change your hair. It just will. Guarantee it, money back. I love it. Everyone in downtown is revving their engines today. But anyways, get yourself a boar bristle brush. These two products I use on a daily basis, even when it's not summer, but I can only imagine, since this is my first summer having these two products, that my skin is about to look so good. These two blushes will change your makeup game. We're gonna start with the Rare Beauty. First of all, Selena's killing it. She has changed the makeup game. I literally love her. This is Happy. It is my favorite liquid blush. I have it on right now on my cheeks, and I'm obsessed. But to really amp it up and brighten it and bring it forth, I love to use the Makeup by Mario Poppy Pink blush, which I have really just kind of used up in here. It's a little damaged. This combination gets me the most perfect pink flush on my cheeks, makes me look like I was in the sun, but like in the best way possible. It's a healthy, really beautiful glow, and my blush stays on for like 12 plus hours when I combine these two, a liquid and also a powder on top of each other. You literally can't go wrong with your makeup. Also, another hair care item, I'm really into hair care. This is a slip scrunchie, but it is the large version. I have noticed a huge difference with my hair by sleeping with it up. I put it in a big bun at night, I put one of these slip hair ties in, and I'm good to go. And I feel like during the summer, again, you want that shine, and the silk hair tie really brings that shine to your hair, and it really helps revive it and not aid the like process of damaging it more, because a regular hair tie is going to break your ends and give you like split ends, but a silk hair tie won't do that because of the material of it. So yeah, get yourself a slip hair tie. This was like a limited edition collection that I just picked up. I don't know if it's available anymore. It's like pink with paisleys. It's so cute, but any of them will do. I also have the black, pink, and also the champagne color. Summer is all about making things last. It's really hot during the summer where I live. I live in Central Florida. It's hot all the time. Even in the winter, it's like 90 degrees. So yeah, I always need something to keep my makeup on for a very long time. And I use very glowy products on the base of my face. So I saw no problem using a mattifying setting spray. This is by One Size, and this is like one of the first items that I had picked up from them. This is the Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. And I kid you not, it is all of that. My makeup stays on for so long with this stuff. I'm going to a Tim McGraw concert this weekend, and yes, the video of it is going to be posted next week, so stay tuned. And I cannot wait to wear this stuff and see if my makeup literally lasts through a hot concert outside while screaming and yelling and partying. It's just going to be a great little test. It comes out in like an aerosol setting spray. I think it smells good. Doesn't really smell like much. Maybe like hand sanitizer, just a little, but it smells good to me. My makeup stays in place, put perfect, especially in this hot heat. You need this for the summer. Promise you, it's amazing. And last but not least, we're on to the Sol de Janeiro new Beija Flor Elasti cream. I don't know how to say that. Beija. I don't know. They pick like some of the weirdest names sometimes. Oh yeah. This is the lotion for Baccarat Rouge, I swear. So amazing, so moisturizing, and I love pampering myself with this stuff, and I pamper myself with it every single night, and I love it. I just can't get over the smell, the feeling, the texture, the way it moisturizes, and I love blending it in on my body. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little peek of what it's like. So I feel like you never need a lot of this lotion because a little bit of it does go a very long way, and it blends in super nicely. The scent is so good. And my body truly does feel so moisturized after using this. This stuff would be so great for a long day in the sun. Getting back, showering, and putting this all over your body, I feel like it would really quench your skin. All right, you guys, those are all the products that I am obsessed with currently from Sephora and that I feel like will be essentials for you this summer. I don't know what you're doing this summer, but I know that I'm doing a lot of traveling, so I really feel like all these items are really gonna be good for traveling as well, and they're also just like essentials in my daily routine. All right, my quote of the day is, you don't have to be perfect to be loved. First of all, no one's perfect in this world, and if you try to be perfect, you're gonna fall short in every single way because we're not perfect humans. None of us are perfect. We all have flaws, and I think it's so important to accept that. But I think it's also important to know that a lot of people think you have to have everything right in your life to be able to date someone, to be with someone, but that is not true. It is amazing to be imperfectly perfect, and to know that someone else will love you through that is one of like the best feelings that I'm sure you could ever have. I don't know about that feeling yet, but I'm sure I will soon. And so I just feel like it's really important to realize that you are so beautiful and you don't have to be perfect to be loved by someone. And that also goes into saying that you should love yourself before you can love anyone else, because if you love your imperfect self, someone else will love you even more as an imperfect human. I love y'all so much. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Happy summer. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye guys.